Hey everybody, welcome to Angela's channel. I have a new look for you guys and I'm thrilled to just show it to you how to do it and how to get this look. Thanks for watching. If you're new, welcome. Please be part of the Bella fam. You're unique and different in your way and you're beautiful. Just remember that. Angela said that right now. I'm super excited. How did I get this look, you guys? My body wash. I love this body wash and I'm like, you know what, let me show everybody what they're missing out. And I really wanted to show you this body wash, you guys. Okay, so long story short, I always had to buy a different one every time, but I was tired of it. So I went to Target with my husband and I told him, I was like, you know what, I'm tired of just buying a different body wash every time. Then I found this one. It's called Method Body. I love this one. I don't know, I think it's because I saw things that I liked that it contained in this body wash, and it was coconut, rice milk, which all of a sudden you're like, oh my god, all this mixed, it's gonna make my body amazing, and shea butter. And I'm like, wow, all this. And that, I just fell in love with that, just reading what it contains. I'm like, yes, I'm gonna feel my body smooth, and that's what I want. And the smell, you guys, it's amazing. So I hope you guys go to Target right away after this video and buy your Method Body. So to incorporate the colors of this look, this is what I've created. I hope you guys like it, and let's keep watching. Okay, so after you're done with your moisturizer and your primer, I'm gonna be doing my foundation, and the foundation that I have for you guys today is Born This Way from Too Faced, the shade Light Beige, and it looks like this. I'm gonna pour some on my hand. What I like about this foundation is that it has that full coverage that you need throughout your day, which is awesome. As you notice, that when I put my foundation on, I try not to put foundation here just because I'm gonna put concealer there. Once you're done with your foundation, next is our concealer. The concealer I'm gonna be using is the Shape Tape from Tarte. This is Light Medium Honey, and it looks like this. Grab the same sponge and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I do like to wait a little bit just so it can set. Leave the powder there. I'm gonna grab some more. I'm gonna go on the side of my nose. Just like that. Now with a brush, I'm gonna be taking the excess out. Just brushing the excess out. Okay, so once you're done setting your powder on your face, the next thing we're gonna be doing is going straight to our eyes. To incorporate the colors of my body wash, I'm gonna be using my City Mini palette from Maybelline. It looks like this, and I'm gonna start with the base color first, which is this one right here, JH32 Morphe from Jaclyn Hill. It's like a blending brush, but I'm gonna use that one just because I'm gonna be applying it all over my eye. So just like this. gonna grab some more for my other eye. It helps the other colors be more pigmented when you add that baseline. Okay, once you're done with adding your base, which is that really nice cream color, I'll be using the one that's right here in the bottom, that's this corner one. And the brush I'm going to be using is number 7 BH Cosmetics. I did apply some already. Just like that. I'm going to grab some more. And I'm going to continue going up top. Do like a little arch. Grab some more. So once you're done with that gray, we're gonna go next with our purple. I'm gonna be using the Revolution makeup palette, the Emily Edit. And the purple that I'm gonna be using is Family, which is right here. That one goes very well because there's purple in that product that I'm introducing to you guys, that I want you guys to buy. I'm gonna go in the middle of my lid to the end, so, but I'm not gonna go all the way out just because I did add the gray. I'm just gonna go to the end of my eye. I'm gonna grab some more and do the same thing. Okay, so once you're done with that purple, that is really nice, we're gonna be adding that blue. It's from Morphe, right here, and the blue is right here. I'm gonna be using my flat brush from Coca-Cola Morphe right here. I'm gonna grab that. Okay, grab that blue. And start from your inner corner lightly and work your way to that lid that meets the purple in the middle. I'm gonna grab some more. If you feel like you want something more, you want a darker blue, you want it more pigmented, you can always use concealer to add. For me and my preference, I don't want it too dark, but it's up to you guys. So just continue getting that blue that you want. Now I'm gonna go to my next eye. Then you're gonna be adding your liner. In this case, I'm not gonna be adding no liner. I want something different. I'm just gonna be adding my lashes. Once you're done with your lashes, I'm gonna be using the COLLOSAL Big Shot Volume Express from Maybelline, New York, and it looks like this. It's by Shayla, and I'm gonna put it to add some volume to everything. Okay, so once you're done with your lashes, I'm going to be doing my bronzer. The bronzer I'm going to be using is Ofra, and it's like this. I love this. I love this one. I'm going to go upward, like always. I do want to add white in my inner corners and on the bottom of my eyebrows, just to give that shine to my eyes. The palette that I'm going to be using for that white is Mellow Cosmetics. This is the Cenobia. I will be adding in my description below the discount for the cosmetics. if you do want to buy this palette. This palette is very pigmented. Mi Bella Femme. It's super nice. I love the colors, and there's other palettes as well that you can purchase. Just don't forget to add my discount code so you guys get that discount. The white that I'm going to be using is called Pekin. I'm going to be using number 13 BH Cosmetics. It's a little bit more smaller just to get to that inner corner, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Just by adding it, it's very pigmented, so I have to take excess out. I'm gonna put some under my eyebrow. And you can use your finger just to smooth that out if you went too far. Okay, so once you're done with that, your eyes, you did your bronzer, I'm gonna add a highlight to it. I'm gonna use that same palette, Zenobia. It is a multitasker palette, and I'm gonna be using Champagne, and it's this one right here. I'm gonna be using Be Beautiful Be You from Farrah, and it's like this. And I just want to add it in my nose, on top of my cheekbone. Middle of my nose. Okay, so once you're done with the look, I'm going to be adding a color to my lips. I do want a nude. I'm so into the nude. If you guys know me already, I'm always with my nude lipstick. This is the Dominique Cosmetics. This one I use it on the go all the time because it smells so good, and this color is it's a multitasker. You can put it for any color, and it's not too much, which I like. And there you have it. This is the look that I created for you guys with my favorite body wash. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys go straight to Target and buy this product. I'm telling you guys, I get out of the shower smelling really good with the things that it contains, which is the coconut, the rice milk, and the shea butter. If you're new, welcome, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Be part of the Bella Fam, because I always believe that you're unique and you're different in your way, and that we together can change the world and make it a better place. See you guys next time. To end this video, I always like to end up giving you some advice as a mom, as a wife that I am. I want to tell you that you're beautiful and you're unique and you're in your way, and I'm proud of you for what you're accomplishing in your life.